Hi, Adam here with InspiredLED. Today I will be demonstrating the proper way to install Magnitude's popular E-Series electronic dimmable transformer with an LED system. This type of transformer is available in a variety of Class 2 models for both 12 and 24 volt systems and is compatible with most MLV incandescent and CFL LED dimmers. Featuring auto reset, overcurrent and short circuit protection, a compact low profile housing, and convenient wiring knockouts, the E-Series electronic transformer is simple to install and well suited for both commercial and residential applications. Before we get started, there are a few key things to note. First is that due to the high voltage lines, we strongly recommend this installation be performed by experienced electricians and contractors only. This will help to ensure both the safety and functionality of your LED system. This transformer must be placed in a well-ventilated area away from any explosive gases or vapors. For ease of access and to prevent overheating, it should never be enclosed inside of drywall. You will also need to ensure that you are installing the transformer with compatible components, including 12 volt or 24 volt LEDs, depending on the system, and a compatible dimmer switch. You can visit our website for a complete list of recommended models. Now let's get started. Since you will be making a connection to high voltage lines, step 1 is to turn off the power at the main breaker. Once the power is off, wire drops can safely be run down to the desired location of your new dimmer switch using Romex cable. Inside the Romex will be 3 wires. Black is your live wire, copper is your ground wire, and white is your neutral wire. Your dimmer will also come with a series of input and output wires, a ground wire, a live wire, a load wire, and possibly a 3-way wire. Note that the colors of these wires may differ based upon the model dimmer you choose. For this demonstration, we will assume that the dimmer switch is being installed somewhere near a doorway and the transformer will be positioned in a cabinet nearby. So we'll also need to make sure there is some extra Romex run between them. Beginning at the switch box, connect the live wire from your Romex wire drop to the line wire on the dimmer switch. Then group all ground wires from your Romex wire drop, the dimmer, and the Romex running to your transformer and wire nut all 3 together. If your dimmer switch has a white neutral wire, group it together with the white wires from both the wire drop and the Romex running to the transformer. If your switch does not have a white wire, connect the neutral lines from Romex to Romex directly. Lastly, connect the load wire from your dimmer switch to the black wire going to your transformer. Begin by removing the screw to open the cover of your E-Series transformer and install the included wire grommets onto each knockout hole. This will help you to reduce strain after installation. Inside the transformer, you will see a black load wire, a green ground wire, and a white neutral wire. Route your Romex into the transformer junction box through the wiring grommets and make the connections using wire nuts. On the opposite side of the transformer, there will also be a pair of output wires, red for positive and either blue or purple for negative. And using 18 to 22 gauge 2-conductor cable, strip back the ends and wire nut positive to positive and negative to negative. If using InspiredLED interconnect cables, snip off the plug on one side and note that the positive polarity is indicated by white writing. Double check all your polarities have been properly matched before turning power back on. Ensure your LED system is working by adjusting the dimmer switch several times to see how your lights respond. If everything is functioning to your satisfaction, the transformer can be closed up and mounted using the keyhole tabs. Your dimmer switch can also be secured in place along with a matching faceplate to complete the look. And there you have it, a fully integrated low voltage LED system brought to you by the Magnitude E-Series electronic transformer. For more information on this and other InspiredLED products, contact us directly at orders@inspiredled.com or give us a call at 480-941-4286.